Hello dear student, today we are going to discuss over first chapter A Letter to God from First Flight. In first video we have covered some main points of this chapter. So let us we see what happens with Lencho, who was very poor farmer. So up to this paragraph we have covered this lesson, and further poet says, but in the heart of all who lived in that solitary house in the middle of the valley, there was single hope, help from the God. And before continuing this paragraph, we will once again review the main points of previous paragraph. जैसा कि मैंने आपको बताया, लेंचो who was a very poor farmer who was hoping for something rainfall for his crops, but the willing of God was something other. There was not any raindrop, but all these raindrops changed into downpour, changed into hailstone, and this hailstone destroyed each and everything of the Lencho. In this way, Lencho was very hopeless at that moment. He was thinking, there was stress on his mind, on his forehead. What will be of his family? How could be he able to survive with his family? कैसे वो सरवाइव कर सकता है जब उसकी सारी फसलें तबाह हो चुकी हैं? यह सोचकर उसके माथे पर चिंता की लकीरें उभर सी आई थी. वह चिंतित हो उठा था. बट in the heart of all who lived in that solitary house in the middle of the valley, there was single hope, help from the God. Even though he was gloomed, he was sad, because God has snatched away each and everything from him. All the crops have been destroyed by hailstone. सारी फसलें तबाह हो चुकी थी. वह दुखी था, लेकिन अभी भी उसके हार्ट में, उसके हृदय में एक आशा की किरण जग रही थी. देयर वॉज सिंगल होप, हेल्प फ्रॉम द गॉड. स्टिल ही believes that God is always present. God is omnipresent, omnipotent, omniscient. So he will help me surely, because I believe God. I am the son of God. So never a God, never a father can do any injustice against his own son. He believe like that. वो विश्वास करता है कि ऐसा कभी नहीं हो सकता है. Don't be so upset even though this seems like a total loss. Remember, no one dies of hunger. He says, he believe himself, he make believe himself. My dear Lencho, never be so upset, because nobody in this world is going to die with hunger, because God is present. God is always omnipresent. He sees each and everything. So no one dies of hunger. So I am not going to die with the hunger. जब इस दुनिया में कोई मरता नहीं है भूख से, इस दुनिया में एक भी इंसान भूख से नहीं मर सकता है, क्योंकि जब तक ईश्वर जिंदा है, जब तक ये भगवान प्रेजेंट है, तब तक कोई नहीं मरता है. तो अपने आप को दिलासा दिलाता है कि मेरे साथ भी कुछ नहीं होने जा रहा है, मेरा परिवार भी बचा रहेगा. दैट इज़ वॉट दे से, नो वन डाइज ऑफ हंगर. लोग कहते हैं कि भूख से किसी की मौत नहीं होती. ऑल थ्रू द नाइट लेंचो थॉट ओनली ऑफ हिज वन होप. थ्रू द होल नाइट ही वॉज रेस्टलेस. बाय मूविंग हेयर एंड देयर, he was thinking and thinking only about his family and about his crops. Why the God has done injustice against me? भगवान ने मेरे साथ अन्याय क्यों किया? The help of the God. He was thinking, there is only one person who can help me, and that one is the God, whose eyes, as he had been instructed, see everything, even what is deep in one's conscience. And through his inner conscience, he was thinking, oh God, how cruel you are. you have done injustice, but still I hope that you will help me. आपने मेरे साथ अन्याय किया लेकिन आज भी मैं विश्वास करता हूँ, अंतरात्मा से उसकी आत्मा कहती है कि मैं विश्वास करता हूँ कि भगवान प्रेजेंट है, मौजूद है, वो हमारी मदद जरूर करेगा. लेंचो वॉज एन ऑक्स ऑफ अ मैन वर्किंग लाइक एन एनिमल इन द फील्ड. एंड फर्दर ही थिंक्स दैट Lencho, still he was a very poor person, but he was very sincere towards his duty. He was so workful. He was workaholic person. Workaholic means होता है जिसे जैसे अल्कोहलिक होता है, शराब का नशा होता है, लेकिन वो वर्कaholic था जिसे काम का नशा होता था. उसे शराब का नशा नहीं, उसे जो अपने काम का नशा होता था, दिनों रात जानवरों की तरह वह खेतों में काम किया करता था, ईमानदार था. बट स्टिल ही न्यू हाउ टू राइट एंड वेरी रेयरली ही हैज़ गॉट चांस टू गेट सम एजुकेशन. सो ही वॉज वेरी illiterate like person. Very hardly he can write few words. So through the whole night he was thinking, how can I ask help from the God? Working like an animal in the field, but still he knew how to write. The following Sunday, so next Sunday, after thinking and thinking, he decided to write a letter. The following Sunday at the daybreak, as soon as the morning began, break means morning, he began to write a letter which he himself would carry to town and place in the mail. It was nothing less than a letter to God. So as soon as the morning began, the Lencho has got one pen, one blank paper, and he began to start write a letter in the name of God. And he also further decided, I will drop this letter myself in the mailbox. और वह अगली सुबह निर्धारित कर लेता है कि मैं एक पत्र लिखूंगा भगवान को, और वह पत्र में खुद जाकर जो शहर होता था, टाउन था, वहाँ जाकर मेल बॉक्स में डालेगा. एंड दिस लेटर वॉज इन द नेम ऑफ गॉड. एंड फर्दर व्हाट ही राइट्स इन द लेटर, लेट अस बी सी. ही राइट्स, God, he wrote, if you don't help me, my family and I will go hungry this year. Further he writes, oh God, you are the father of my family. I am your son. Only you can help us. If you will not help me, my whole family and I will go hungry this year. भगवान से कहता है, हे ईश्वर, इस पूरी वादी में, इस पूरी कायनात में सिर्फ आप ही मेरी मदद कर सकते हो. अगर आप मदद नहीं करोगे तो मेरा पूरा का पूरा परिवार भूख से मर जाएगा इस साल. आई नीड 100 pesos in order to sow my field again and to live until the crops comes, because the hailstone. And further he says, oh God, please help me. I'm not asking more and more, but I want some few of the amounts for sows of the field again. कहता है कि मुझे कुछ ही पैसे चाहिए जिससे कि मैं अपने खेत में पुनः बीज उगा सकूं. एक किसान जो होता है, एक ईमानदार किसान और जो सच्चा इंसान होता है, वह लालच नहीं करता है. यहाँ पे लेंचो भी ऐसा ही इंसान था जिसे पैसे की लालच नहीं थी. यह लाइन कहती है, ही वॉन्ट्स ओनली सम pesos in order to sow my field again. sow means होता है बोना, उगाना. pesos एक करेंसी होती है लैटिन अमेरिका में. तो ये चीज़ें बता रहा है कि मुझे कुछ pesos दे दीजिए, मैं खैरात नहीं मांग रहा हूँ, आपको रिटर्न करूँगा. only I want some pesos so that I could grow some crops again in my field until the crops comes, because the hailstone. And I promise to you, oh God, I promise you that once again I will work very hard and With my blood and sweat, I will grow once again crops into my field. This is my promise, and I don't want more than this 100 pesos. This is my promise. And further he wrote to God on the envelope. And finally, he completed the letter, and after the wrap up over the envelope, he writes this letter in the name of God. He writes, This is the letter in the name of God on the envelope, but the letter inside and still troubled went to town. And further, after writing this letter, he wrap up the envelope, and over the envelope he writes to God. At the post office, he placed a stamp on the letter and dropped it into the mailbox. आपको लग रहा होगा कि एक ऐसा इंसान था जिसे इतना भी नहीं पता है कि ईश्वर के पास पत्र नहीं पहुंच सकता है, लेकिन लेंचो आशावादी था। वह बिल्कुल उसकी मासूमियत थी जो ईश्वर में अटूट आस्था रखता था। ऐसे लोग हमारे समाज में अभी भी जिंदा हैं, अभी भी मौजूद है, जहाँ पे साइंस की पहुंच बहुत ही सीमित है। सुदूरवर्ती इलाकों में ऐसे लोग अभी भी मौजूद हैं जो हर चीज़ के लिए ईश्वर की तरफ देखते हैं। एट द पोस्ट ऑफिस ही प्लेस्ड a stamp on the letter and dropped it into the mailbox. And finally, after placing a stamp on the letter, he dropped the letter into the mailbox. Properly he stamped the letter, and after they stamped the letter in the name of God, he dropped the letter into the mailbox. One of the employees, who was postman and also helped at the post office, went to his boss laughing heartily and showed him the letter to God. Never in his career as a postman had he known that address the postmaster, a fat, amiable. So here amiable means होता है who is very friendly, जो बहुत ही फ्रेंडली होते हैं, बहुत ही प्लीजेंट इंसान होते हैं, जो हमेशा खुश मिजाज होते हैं, उन्हें बोला जाता है। So one of the employees who was watching each and everything, the activity by the Lencho, as soon as he got the letter after the name of God, there was written to God. So he was surprised. How could it be possible for a man to write a letter in the name of God? ये कैसे संभव है एक इंसान के लिए, and for a postman to deliver letter to the God? एक इंसान, एक पोस्टमैन कैसे लेटर जो है गॉड को ले जा सकता है? यह चीज़ देखकर वह अचंभित हो जाता है कि ये लेटर जो है किसी इंसान को नहीं बल्कि ये भगवान को देना है। एंड फाइनली ही सेज, इन माई करियर आई हैव नेवर सीन सच अ पर्सन एंड सच अ लेटर हु वॉज डिलीवर्ड टू द गॉड एंड ही नोन दैट addressed the postmaster, a fat amiable person. So he was something joking kind of person. So he was also surprised, and by showing the letter to the employee, he says, I have never seen such a person who has ever written any letter in the name of God. Fellow also broke out laughing. By laughing, he says to his fellow, but almost immediately he turned serious. Even though he was joking and he was mocking at that time and saying to his fellow, his friend, but suddenly he became something serious. There was seriousness over his face, and tapping the letter on his desk, commented. अभी तो मजाक कर रहा था, यह लेटर देखकर उसे विश्वास नहीं हो रहा था, लेकिन अचानक उसकी भाव भंगिमा बदल जाती है, वह सीरियस हो जाता है और वह कहता है, What faith! I wish I had the faith of the man who wrote this letter. And further, the postman says, what kind of person these are, and what kind of faith between God and human being I have never seen in my life. I have never seen such a person who has staunch belief in God, deep belief in God, who by closing his eyes believe the God is still present. Oh, that if I have also such belief and faith into God. कहता है ऐसे लोग जो ईश्वर में अटूट आस्था रखते हैं, आंख बंद कर विश्वास करते हैं, काश मैं भी ऐसा होता जो ईश्वर में अटूट आस्था रखता, आंख बंद करके विश्वास करता. स्टार्टिंग अप अ करिस्पॉन्डेंस विद गॉड एंड फर्दर ही वॉज ऑल्सो वेरी सीरियस बिकॉज ही हैज़ टू डिलीवर द लेटर विद गॉड. वह सीरियस हो चुका था, वह बहुत ही उसकी भावभंगिमा बदल चुकी थी, क्योंकि लेटर जो था वो भगवान को सेंड करना था और पोस्टमैन ये कैसे कर सकता है उसे समझ में नहीं आ रहा. एंड फर्दर सो in order to shake the writer's faith in God, the postmaster came up with an idea, and he does not want to break the faith of Lencho, because he believed that if such people believe in God in such a manner, so we have not any authority, we have not any right to break faith from the God. We have not any ideas, we have not any authority to break their faith from the God. और कहता है अगर ऐसे लोग इंसान इस दुनिया में हैं, विश्वास करते हैं, तो हमारा कोई हक नहीं बनता है कि उनके विश्वास को हम ठेस पहुंचाएं, तोड़ें. एंड फर्दर पोस्ट मास्टर केम अप विद एन idea answer the letter, and finally he decided, I don't want to break the faith of this person. I think a correspondent letter should be delivered to this poor person, otherwise he will never believe the God. But when he opened it, it was evident that to answer it he needed something more than goodwill. As soon as he opened the letter to see what is the demand of this man, what is the message of this man to God, then suddenly he was also once again surprised, and he took ink and paper, but he stuck to his resolution. He asked for money from his employees. What was written? He was surprised by looking what was written inside it. There was demand of 100 pesos from the God by this Lencho. He was surprised. How can I help, and how could I maintain the faith between God and this Lencho, this poor person? He himself gave some part of his salary, and several friends of his were obliged to give something for an act of charity. और उसके बाद वो डिसाइड कर लेता है और अपने सैलरी से कुछ पैसे और साथ ही साथ अपने मित्रों से जो उसके सहकर्मी थे उनसे कुछ चैरिटी, खैरात जिसे बोलते हैं, चैरिटी मीन्स खैरात होता है, खैरात के रूप में जो पैसे होते हैं उसे वो चाहता है कि उसे उस इंसान को पहुंचाए, उसकी मदद करें. It was impossible for him to gather together 100 pesos. So amount was not very small for him. So it was impossible for him to gather 100 pesos. So he was able to send the farmer only little more than half. And finally he was successful in getting some amount, not full amount, but little more than half. But he put money and envelope to Lencho, and with it a letter containing only single words, signature God. And finally, putting amounts money into the envelope, he closed the envelope and his signature only one word, God. और उसके बाद उसमें पैसे जो डालता है पूरा पैसा नहीं होता है, और उसके बाद उस एनवेलप में डालने के बाद उसके ऊपर सिर्फ एक शब्द लिखता है गॉड, गॉड लिखता है. So there is oral comprehension check. Who or what did Lencho have faith in? What did he do? Second, who read the letter? Third, what did the postmaster do then? So dear student, I expect that you will give your answer by understanding this story. So I hope so. So let us continue. Next paragraph. The following Sunday Lencho came a bit earlier than usual to ask if there was a letter for him. So this was the routine of Lencho. He always tried to come very earlier, and he always hoped that surely there would be a letter, there would be some corresponding letter from the God for me. He hoped so. It was the postman himself who handed the letter to him. But this was the Sunday morning when Lencho came and inquired about the letter. Is there any letter for me from the God? Then the postmaster answered, yes man, today I have got one letter in the name of Lencho, and this letter is from the God. So there was not any amazement after hearing the answer of the postmaster. He was not amazed because he believed that surely there would be any letter after the name of mine. And further, postmaster, experiencing the contentment of a man who has performed a good deed, looked on from his office. So he was also getting some contentment, जिसे बोलते हैं सुकून, सेटिस्फेक्शन था उसके चेहरे पे, बिकॉज ही वॉज थिंकिंग दैट टुडे आई हैव डन अ रियल गुड वर्क फॉर अ पर्सन. एंड फर्दर लेंचो शोड नॉट द स्लाइटेस्ट सरप्राइज ऑन सीइंग द मनी. After getting the money, after getting the letter from the God, there was not any little bit of surprise over the face of Lencho after receiving the money from the God. उसके चेहरे पे थोड़ा सा भी आश्चर्य नहीं था कि भगवान हमें पैसा नहीं दे सकते हैं. वह पैसा जो उसे प्राप्त होता है, जो ईश्वर के द्वारा भेजा जाता है. एंड ही बिकेम वेरी हैप्पी बिकॉज ही नोज गॉड इज ऑलवेज मर्सीफुल. Such was his confidence. But he became angry when he counted the money. लेकिन अचानक वह क्रोधित हो उठता है. As soon as he began to count the money, then he became angry because money was not complete, full money, but few of the amounts was lapses at that moment. God could not have made a mistake. And further, this was the belief of a poor person who says, never can God make any mistake. भगवान से तो गलती नहीं हो सकती, कभी ईश्वर गलती कर ही नहीं सकता है. भगवान क्या भूल सकता है पैसा पूरा काउंट करने में? नो नो, नेवर. दिस नेवर कुड बी बिलीवेबल फॉर मी. एंड ही डिनाइड. डिनाइड मीन्स होता है फॉरवर्ड, मना करना. लेंचो डिनाइड व्हाट ही हैड रिक्वेस्टेड. कहा था मैंने जो रिक्वेस्ट की थी भगवान से 100 पीसोस की, वह कम पड़ रहे हैं. लेकिन भगवान तो गलती कर नहीं सकता है. आई थिंक देयर इज समथिंग रॉन्ग. इमीडिएटली लेंचो वेंट अप टू द विंडो टू आस्क फॉर पेपर एंड इंक. एंड फर्दर वेरी हरीडली ही केम नियर बाय द विंडो एंड आस्क, प्लीज गिव मी पेपर एंड इंक बिकॉज आई वॉन्टेड टू राइट समथिंग in the letter, and I want this letter to deliver immediately in the name of God. So what was the decision made by the Lencho? Let us be see. And on the public table, writing table, he started to write. Public writing table जो होता है अमूमन ऑफिस के सामने रखा होता है टेबल जिस पे सभी लोग अपना काम करते हैं. He started to write with much wrinkling of his brow. उसके भौवें जो थी, ब्रो मीन्स भौवें होती हैं, उसके भौवें पे सिकन थी, पसीना था और उन्हें उसके ऊपर सिकन थी. और उसके बाद वह जो है लेटर लिखता है. एंड फर्दर ही काज्ड बाय द एफर्ट ही हैड टू मेक टू एक्सप्रेस हिज आइडियाज. एंड फर्दर ही गॉट सक्सेस टू एक्सप्रेस हिज आइडियाज इन टू द लेटर, what he believed and what he wanted to say in this letter confidentially to the God. When he finished, he went to the window to buy a stamp which he licked and then affixed to it. And after, once again, in a very legal process, he buy one stamp, and by affixing on the envelope, he decided to deliver this letter in the name of God. What was written? Let us see what was written into the letter by the Lencho in the name of God. In the envelope, with a blow of his fist, the moment the letter fell into the mailbox, the postmaster went to open it. As soon as he dropped the letter into the mailbox, the man who helped him, the postmaster, the real man, who was thinking that I have done something good work today, he decided to open the letter and he wanted to see actually what is written by this poor person once again in the name of God. वो देखना चाहता था कि इस इंसान ने क्या लिखा है ईश्वर के नाम से. As soon as he opens the letter, it said, God, of the money that I asked for, only 70 pesos rugged me. Send me the rest since I need it very much. And further he once again requested God, please help me once again, because these are not full amount of money. These are not the sufficient amount. Please give me 30 more pesos, because I have got only 70 pesos. I think this is not your fault, but there is something fishy, there is something wrong in this post office. अब उसे ईश्वर पे शक नहीं है. वो कहता भगवान आप गलत नहीं हो सकते, आप अपने 100 pesos दिया होगा, लेकिन कुछ दाल में काला है. यहाँ पे इस पोस्ट ऑफिस के लोग अच्छे नहीं हैं. एंड फर्दर ही राइट, सेंड मी rest of the money since I need it very much. And by requesting he says, God, please help me, otherwise we all going to be die with hungry. Please help me, but one thing you have to follow, but don't send it to me through the mail, because the post office employees are bunch of crooks. And further he says, I want 30 more pesos. God, please help me, because this is the demand of my situation. Please help me. But one thing, suggestion from me, please don't send this 30 pesos from this post office, because all the employees are bunch of crooks. This is proverb. A bunch of crook means होता है चोर चोर मौसेरे भाई. तो कहता है ये जो पैसा जो आपने 30 पीसोस 100 पीसोस भेजा था, 30 पीसोस चुरा लिए गए हैं इस एम्प्लॉयों के द्वारा, क्योंकि ये सारे के सारे चोर चोर मौसेरे भाई हैं जो मेरे 30 पैसे उसको चुरा लिया है. क्योंकि मैं आप पे विश्वास करता हूँ, आप कभी काउंट करने में गलती नहीं कर सकते. हाँ, लेकिन गलतियाँ हो सकती हैं. गलती इनके द्वारा हुई है जो चोरी की गई है. तो आप देख सकते हैं कि एक इंसान कितना विश्वास रखता है ईश्वर में. ऐसे लोग अभी भी गांव देहात एरिया में हैं जो ईश्वर में अटूट आस्था रखते हैं. So once again there are some oral comprehension questions given. Oral comprehensions. Was Lencho surprised to find a letter from him with money in it? What made him angry? So these are the questions. So dear student, I expect that you will have got the meaning what I have taught. If you have any doubt, if you have any inquiry, please write down into comment box so that I can answer your questions. So I also hope that you will complete questions answer into your fair work. Thank you very much once again.